I have been on the journey of IVF with Aspire for the past 1.5 years, and it's been a very enduring journey. The kind of support I got from the staff at Aspire, all the sisters, has been very, very close to my heart. They have, through all the injections that come in this entire journey, almost 4 or 5 egg pickup cycles, and going through that entire thing with Ashwini ma'am, guiding me throughout each and every step of what to expect, how the symptoms would pan out, to finally going in for my embryo transfer and conceiving. I'm now almost 9 months pregnant with my twin babies. This entire journey would not have been possible without the support I got from the team at Aspire. Not just the ones whom we get to interact with, but even the embryology team that worked on our gametes, pharmacy team that took care of all the medicines and everything that need to be given. And I really appreciate the way Aspire maintains the entire facility as well. So kudos to the facility team as well at Aspire, who always ensure that we've got neat and clean bathrooms. I started appreciating it more because a couple of my scans were at third-party centers where I had to go for my anomaly scan or things, and the kind of facilities I've seen there. And it just taught me how much Aspire really pampers us. So I really, really appreciate this entire team effort that goes into an IVF journey, be it the housekeeping team, the admin team, the pharmacy team, the embryology team, the nursing team, the scanning doctors, and the fetal medicine team, and to lead it all, the best doctor that could have ever, led this entire team, Ashwini ma'am. I am deeply, deeply grateful for all the things that you guys have done for me in this journey, and you're going to be in my prayers for the rest of my life. Thank you.